those legs and make it bounce. Did Mama move you? What's going on? You gonna figure those bubbles out? Yeah. Kick your legs and the music will come on. Yeah. I think you gotta kick just a little harder than that. Work those legs. There you go. Do it again. I know. Oh, it's okay. Mama's here. And apparently so is Ethel. She's gonna check on you. Ethel, he's fine. He's fine. See? He's fine. Whoa! You're ready to ride a bicycle already. See, you turned on the music. Wow. Wow. That's cool, isn't it? Good boy. Yeah. Good boy.